got this message from one man asking me why this is going and what is happening on me. Guess it was what? The guy was facing to have low views, okay? To have low views, and he was like, he wanted to complain enough because he was having to 20 to 8 to 50 views like that, and that's why many YouTubers are quitting on YouTube, and that is because you have to understand that when you come to when you start YouTube or YouTube channel, or you start creating any kind of content on YouTube, you will first face this problem of low views. And that's why many people, and he spent like 2 months when he's getting 100 to 100 and below views, and he thinks that YouTube is not even recognizing me, I have to quit and look other things to do. That's why people are failing to do on YouTube. And guess what? Today I am going to explain why you have to remain on YouTube, or you have to keep up, and this will remain keeping you creating your content without someone to push you or to say that you need to quit. You are making no sense. What is this? Even your content is not getting attention by people. That's fact. You need to quit it, bro. And guess what? Today, let's talk about this problem and why many YouTubers are facing this problem, and how we can just go it away. Okay? Today, I'm going to tell you why if you start a YouTube channel, why you must face that problem. It's not even that one. I will tell you several problems that is getting more YouTubers quit YouTube and look other things to do instead of continuing creating content. And this is why I am here. Okay. This truth. Okay. YouTube, it's like other business here outside. Okay. YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, you are like you have a shop that is working. Okay, and that is clear. It's like you have a shop or a supermarket you are running. That's why you need to understand, when you open a shop, you don't even expect more customers than the other guy that has spent more than 2 years running the shop. Okay. Another thing you have to understand that is that if you create a channel, okay, first day you get like 3 views, and that 3 views, it's yours. You are the one who watched your video. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Don't be like, what is this now? What is this nonsense? Okay? Yeah, it hurts, but we have to understand that you can't compete with someone that has even spent more than 1 year, and you, as the first time, you have to expect the same views with that guy. That is nonsense. Okay? Let's say you have created a content. Today it got like 3 views. Okay? Another day you created another content, got 6 views. That is amazing achievement you have done, because it has doubled it. And you are saying, 6 views. What is this nonsense? I have to quit and look at other things to do. No, it's not like that. You have to understand that YouTube goes slow and by slow according to your content. yes, there is a content you can do as the first time you get even 500 views. Okay. Yeah, it's a kind of content, and we are different from we are different. Okay, me, there is content that I can't be able to do. Okay, and that's why you have to realize that you have no to quit. If you are able to do that content and you believe in yourself, bro, you don't have to quit, and you have to push up so that you can get more subscribers and views. You have to get more community, more audience to watch your videos, instead of thinking about getting 1,000 or 10,000 people in a day, and you know that you no, bro, you have to remain on your focus. Okay, focus on your things, and YouTube algorithm will take your things if your things are watchable. If, let me tell you something, okay? If today you have created a content, okay, a video, okay, that video does not even get too much attention, but it has brought you like 6 or 4 subscribers. That means that those 4 subscribers has just loved your content, and that is amazing. If they have liked your content, it means that they will even come back to watch another videos you are creating another day. That's why they have subscribed to your content. Let's say another day you created another content, and that content brought like 1 person. It means that that person has liked your content. Okay, same the next day. Okay, on those 4 people that subscribe to your channel, has it means that another person joined them. At that moment, you have 5 people that trust in you, trust in your content. That means that your audience is growing up. Okay, the same day your video will bring maybe other 2 people, other 3 people, 10, 6, like that, and you will see that you're getting audience, and you are creating your customers to come around your content. And let me tell you something, you can be creating content like 1 day, 2 day, 3, 4, and you get like there's nobody even is thinking to watch you, but there is people that are maybe watching, that few, but are watching and they appreciate you. Okay, let me give you the final thing that you may not think to quit YouTube or creating content on YouTube because you have low views. Okay, you may lose you may lose views, and you get low views as you're passing through now. Okay, but let me tell you a thing, you may create 1 video and that video get attention. Okay, maybe get like 10 to and above views, 10K and above views. That means that those people, they are going to go behind and watch your last contents. That is amazing. I'm telling you the truth. There is one channel, uh, 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 there is another channel I'm running right now. I'm not having this one only, but it was just like that. That's why I'm telling you this. I have an experiment on it, because even if it goes like that, okay, but 1 video, it's even the most popular on that channel, boom up, and it was like it hits around 20K views, and those people go. It was last videos on that video, it was like those content were getting like 15 views, and that moment all the contents on that channel, there is any content on that channel that is under 5k. That is amazing. That means that if you get attention, people will go behind and watch your last videos, and that one will create more watch time, more views, more engagements, and more subscribers on your channel. And let me tell you something, okay? People, they think that engagements are not important. For us, YouTube, it pays because of views, okay? And subscribers, no. Let me tell you the importance of engagement. The value of engagement on YouTube is to win YouTube algorithm. If YouTube recognizes that you are getting engagement on your videos, that means that your videos are being watchable and maybe liked, okay? That is why your YouTube is going to push your content, to deliver your content at the people that they need it, or the right people who wants to watch your videos. And that one, YouTube will start recommending your videos as needed, okay? And that's why you need even to have engagement on your YouTube content. That one is clear, okay? Another thing that it's making more YouTubers that want to quit, okay, is this one, okay? Maybe you are getting, you have many views, but you don't have even watch time. It's not growing. Someone is clicking and leave. That means that people are doing, there is somewhere you are making a mistake. You can check it. There is somewhere you are making a mistake without knowing, okay? Maybe your channel is getting like 5k views, but no watch time. This means that maybe your title, it's good more than your videos. Can you hear that? Maybe your thumbnail are good more than your videos. People is so excited to click it, or because of thumbnail. Instead, if he enters a video, he found that a video is tough, okay? It's not even interested, and to 3 minutes he left. And that one, clearly you can't get watch time because your video was not even watchable. Okay, that's why you will find that you are not getting any watch time. You are making good titles, but lying, even it's not matching to your video. If people see your video, this title, he be like, I'm so excited to watch this video. He click and he find that the video and title, they are different. They don't meet again. He is going to quit, and you not see him again coming to your channel because he knows that you are lying. That's why we need to keep trusting in our audience. Keep trust in your audience, okay? I'm telling you the truth. Just open your ears and hear what I'm talking about. In this 2026, you are going to be successful on this YouTube. Today, you go like. I'm telling you this, okay? Just listen careful. If you do as I told you, bro, in this 2026, we are growing together. Never think again to quit YouTube or content creation, because many youth may know Vies. We don't have another job instead of getting content or creating content or online jobs. If you need to do online jobs, just where you need to focus and start from it here on Prince is Tech, and don't think everywhere. Okay, just anything you want to ask, just drop a comment there in the comment section and I'll come back to explain it for you. And you'll be like, this guy is, yeah. I will explain it as much as I can. Okay? And you'll be, bro, you'll thank me later. If this one don't work for you, you will thank me later. Stop those things I'm telling you that is bad and do those things I'm telling you that it's good on your channel, and you will see your channel will grow. Don't ask me, bro, the things I'm telling you, it's just truth about this content creation. Okay, another thing I'm going to tell you in this journey of content creation or YouTuber, being a YouTuber, is this one. You need to be careful from being deceived by people around you. People may come around you and tell you that, bro, those things, they don't work. You have to quit. You have to do this. This is the right, instead of doing those nonsense, you have to do this and you have to do this. No, you don't have to listen on that, because here are the several people that are living because YouTube, are getting money because YouTube. Even it's not YouTube, it's not YouTube only. Even TikToks, Instagram, Facebooks, it's where those are platforms that you can make money from. And another, I'm going to be creating content about TikTok, how to make money on TikTok. Just be, I have this playlist, of YouTube growth, and I'll create another one that is talking about TikTok, and with TikTok. Okay, and I will think that you will love it too. Let's create content together. Let's grow together in this journey of content creation. I love you guys, and guess what? I wish you New Year. It's because this is the first video I'm going to drop in this New Year 2026. That's why I'm telling you that Happy New Year. Enjoy yourself. Grow. Have achievement. If you want to be a big content creation or a successful YouTuber, just come around here on Prince is Tech. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have liked this video if you like it, but not first. And if you have any kind of question, just any kind of question, just drop it there in the comment section, and I'll be looking around and answer any question. If I see that question, I can explain more, I do a video about that question, and you'll be happy because of you. Just I'm here every moment that I get time. Okay, I love you guys.